Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 134th edition release, and I'm just going to jump right in. So starting out, I'm sharing this paper pack here. It's called Bees and Butterflies. This has 24 sheets with 4 each of 6 designs, and let me just jump right in and show you that. So we have these butterflies here, really cute, and then we have the pink wood grain paper behind that, and look at those cute little bumblebees there, adorable. And then we have a really soft pink there, and next page has the little butterfly trails or bee trails there, and yellow on that side. There goes some beautiful butterflies there. And then we have a teal wood grain there, and lemons and daisies. How cute is that? Perfect, goes together well. And like an aqua color there. And then we have some honeycomb paper there. And this is like a sagey looking color, green or olive color. And then it starts to repeat. All right. Next up, we have the big daisy dies, and this one measures about 2 inches in diameter. Goes perfect with the other ones, so if you picked up the other ones, this is the larger set to that. These two here, or 3 rather, will be sewed together as a combo set. So we have Just Because stamp and dies. So we have this cute little set of dies on the back, and these are the faces to the bees, and I'll show you those in just one moment. You can just do a screenshot of that if you'd like to see the words. And then here goes the little bumblebees. Adorable. And like I said, the faces are on the stamps. Just super cute. You could even use these as butterflies by themselves, but these are the wings to go with those little bumblebees there, and they face opposite directions, so you'll have a choice there. Have the little trail there, the larger one, and then the small one here. And those are super, super cute. And then she's doing something different. If you can see there, she has a little bitty pack of gems there. And isn't that super cute? You got your little honeycomb, bees, butterfly there. Just super cute. Couple little spoons there. And she'll have other ones in the inner shop, so you can check those out and pick you up some of those. This set here, which will go together, and it's a set of 3. So we have the butterfly stamp and dies, so these are the dies. Here goes the stamps, and you can just screenshot that if you'd like to see those. And then those will go very well with this pretty butterfly die set. And we have 2 different kinds, well actually 3, because we have this one here, and it has the layering piece to that. We have the smaller one with the layering piece, and then we have the full butterfly, and that has that layering piece. These are the centers that will go in the inside of the butterflies to add a little extra something if you'd like to put that on your butterflies there. All right, next up we have the Chunky Jar Revised. So she came back with some more chunky jars. So this is the smaller one of the chunky jars there. So you can pop this on top of there, as well as this little layer there if you'd like to do that. These are the little string that you can have that go around like this, or just a jar top. She has a little bitty small jar there. Just really cute set. And then you can have this set by itself or add the top on top of there and use the string as well. So really cute, called Chunky Jar Revised. This set, which will be sold together, we have the jar, label, dies, and stamps. So here goes the stamps there, if you'd like to screenshot that. And it will go on top of these. And there should be one to fit each one. We also have, if you can see that, that's a little strawberry there. These will cut into the paper. And then we have the cur. This says ball, mason, and this one says pint. So you can use those. This has like leaves going around that there. So these are the jar label dies. Really cute. And stamps. And then last but not least is the tall mason jar. This one's going to be really cute, fun to play with. So you can make this as a shaker, or you can just make it as a mason jar, or a jar of like lemonade. This would go very well with the strawberries too. Throw some strawberries in from her square, that square little 3x3 card that she made. It had a little strawberry. You can throw some strawberries in there. These are the ice cubes, and then of course the straw. So really, really cute release. Make sure you stick around so you can see the projects that I made with this ring. And then here goes my cute little card. Love how this turned out. There goes those torn paper frame dies there, that daisy die, and this measures about 2 inches in diameter. And then both of those little bumblebees, just so super cute. I did add some cheeks on there, and I used some white gel pen to add the little dots in the eyes. And I love how this turned out. And then it says, thanks for being so kind. And then the inside is just as cute as the outside. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. So there goes that one. And let's jump into the next one. Let's start off with a little box. Here it goes. There. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love it. These butterflies add just the touch of elegance that you want on your card, along with that little script word stamp there. Beautiful, beautiful. And I accented that with some little gems there. And then she's starting something new, so I used one of those little charms that she now has in the store. And like I said, I made that into a box. There goes the envelopes that I also made to accompany my cards. And let me show you those cards. Just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And then the inside is finished, but I just put that in there. But I love how these turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there goes the last one there. Beautiful. Here goes the first card that I used. I love that green. It's like an olive green. Really, really cute. And I have that honeybee paper, or the honeycomb paper behind it. And then I added some enamel dots. And this is in like a copper gold that I put there. Just love how it turned out. And there goes the inside of that one. And then I made one more. I also used, and I didn't show you that, but you know how it looks because I showed you everything at the beginning. I used the bumblebee dies, and then there goes that other jar that I used along with that pint. Oh, and I also used the little bee trail there as well. Just so cute. I love it. And I just put a circle in the inside there. And here goes that last card there. It is so cute. And I thought I would put one of those little gems or little charm on there. Just so super cute. And it's a shaker. Love, love, love how that turned out. There goes the lemon. I did add some a little gem in the center of the lemon as well as on that bow. There was those little flowers there. And then that's how I did the inside. Added another little lemon there. And so the release starts today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so, yes, so make sure you go over, get your goodies. I do have the discount that you will need for 15% off your total purchase. So make sure you use that discount. Head over, visit Emma and all of the rest of the design team. All the links will be down below, as well as all the links to the previous releases that I used. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.